The goal of this video is to help you navigate the Reconstruction Assignment, which will be our last assignment of the 8th grade social studies year. I can't believe our year is coming to an end. Obviously, not what we hoped for, but you guys have shown tremendous resilience and positivity. Really, again, enjoyed the projects that you submitted. And I look forward to seeing you guys at the celebration, even if it's through a car window. I'm going to see your smiling faces, and I'll be waving like crazy, proud of what you've done. So to get your Reconstruction assignment for our final assignment of the year in 8th grade for social studies, you're going to go into the distance learning instruction folder. You're going to scroll down towards the bottom, and you'll see that there is a Reconstruction textbook quest. And you're going to use the textbook to navigate you through Reconstruction. Basically, we're doing in a couple days a unit that would have taken much longer. So I'm doing the best we can to condense that in a way that's still going to be really productive for you. So the Reconstruction period, as you can see here, resulted in changes to the U.S. Constitution, an affirmation of federal authority, and lingering social and political differences. Choices made by individuals, businesses, and governments during Reconstruction also had present and future consequences. So you're going to use this textbook quest to get an overview of this 12-year period where our country tried to rebuild economically, politically, and socially. A few things they did well, a few things they didn't do so well. So when you open the document, you'll see that it's broken up into 4 different sections, and each of these sections will take you to a part of the textbook. Learning targets are stated at the top of each of these sections. And when you click on the reading, you'll click on it, click on the bottom, and it'll take you out to a portion of the textbook to help you navigate through that reading. As you read these questions, so for example, the first one, what problems did Reconstruction resolve? What problems did it fail to resolve? You'll answer this question down in this portion where it has answer. And you'll get the information out of these different sections in your textbook. Now, how do I know which sections to read or to look through? Right at the top here, it says read sections 1, 4, 5, 6, 8 in these readings. So if I go to 1, 4, 5, and so on. And you'll read through that information. And some of it is repeated in multiple different sections, but repetition is the mother of knowledge. So that's a good thing, and that should help you out. So you go into textbook for each one. So section 1 talks about the problems that happened in Reconstruction and the problems that were resolved in Reconstruction. The second section, part 2, in what ways did Reconstruction change Southern society? And you'll answer that down here and those changes that took place for these groups. Section 3, long-lasting achievements of Reconstruction and failures of Reconstruction. And then section 4 is going to get you to think a little bit, think empathetically, and just be kind of aware, the more social awareness that takes place here as you view this, about what was life like for African Americans, what were some different opinions that formed in the years after Reconstruction. So Reconstruction ended in 1877, and this critical thinking activity is going to get you thinking about, okay, Reconstruction's over, so your African Americans are now no longer enslaved, but what does that really mean? And so this will help you think about that question, and it's going to have some thinking that goes well beyond social studies, but developing some skills just about being empathetic and being socially aware. So I believe this will be good, beneficial for you. You got all week to work on it, so you can do a section a day. You can do it all in one sitting. Break it up as you see fit. Please have that submitted by midnight on Thursday. If you have any questions for Mrs. Gillespie, Mr. Michael, or myself, please let us know. And again, we miss you guys. Just keep being respectful, be resilient, be a warrior. If you have message me as needed, I'll see you at the 8th grade celebration.